Hello, everyone, and welcome to our weekly podcast where we dive into the latest and greatest happenings in the refrigeration industry. I'm your host, Elena, and I'll be guiding you through the top 5 stories from the past week. From exciting new partnerships to groundbreaking technological advancements, there's plenty to talk about, and we'll even sprinkle in a little fun along the way. Remember, you can read all these stories in detail on our website, refineindustry.com. Let's jump right in. First up, we have big news in the HVAC world as Copeland and Daikin are joining forces. They've announced a joint venture to introduce Daikin's Inverter swing rotary compressor technology to the U.S. market. This aims to boost the adoption of energy-efficient heat pumps while reducing carbon emissions. The collaboration is set to kick off by the first half of 2025, with plans to set up a manufacturing facility in North America. By doing so, they look to offer sustainable heating solutions and meet the rising demand for decarbonization in residential settings. In the spotlight is Daikin's latest innovation, the EWYE-CZ air-to-water inverter heat pump. This new piece of technology sets a high standard for energy efficiency and sustainability, designed to offer low-carbon heating for both residential and commercial spaces. With features such as a wide operating temperature range and low GWP refrigerant, the EWYE-CZ aims to reduce carbon footprints significantly. And with its immediate availability, it's speeding its way into installations near you. Moving on to data centers, Vertiv has expanded its liquid cooling offerings. They've unveiled 2 new CoolChip CDU systems ideal for high-density AI computing environments. These units are showcased at the Supercomputing Conference SC24, letting data centers efficiently manage AI-driven workloads with hybrid cooling solutions. The CoolChip CDU 2300 kW and 350 kW models provide flexibility and cost-effective integration, making them key players in meeting demanding cooling needs. On the regulatory front, the European Heat Pump Association has introduced a new policy briefing on the EU's revised F-gas regulation. This updated regulation is a major move towards meeting the EU's climate goals, pushing the heat pump industry to adopt refrigerants with lower global warming potential. It introduces tougher bans and phase-downs, fostering the transition to eco-friendlier alternatives and emphasizing the role of certification and training. Lastly, Daikin makes headlines again with their launch of a new VRV system using R744, also known as CO2 for the European market. This ultra-low GWP refrigerant initiative is a step towards Daikin's commitment to decarbonization. The CO2 VRV system not only offers flexibility and safety, but also cements Daikin's ongoing promise to create sustainable and future-proof solutions, particularly in commercial spaces like supermarkets and retail environments. And there you have it, the top 5 stories shaking up the refrigeration industry this week. From transformative technologies to regulatory advancements, each story reflects the dynamic changes in our field. As always, you can find more in-depth coverage of these stories on our website, refineindustry.com. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep it cool.